In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on MotiveWave. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your platform and you want to go to the bottom here where it says Optimize. Now, inside here, you want to go to the top right and click on this button where it says New Analysis, and this is going to open up this new strategy analysis wizard. Now, what you have to then do is basically select your strategy you want to backtest. So you want to click on here, so just on this box, and you want to select the one you want, okay? So it's completely up to you. I'm just going to select one over here, which is going to be the MA cross. There we go. Of course, you can go ahead and select whichever one you want, completely up to you. Click on it and click on OK. Then the second thing you have to do here is select the type. And of course, you have like a bunch of different ones. I'm going to go backtest because of course we are backtesting. When you've done that, click on this next button over here. And then there we go. We have the settings and trading options. So you have the fast input. You could do open, close, or any of the other ones available. I'm going to do close over here. I'm going to leave the AMA on over here. So you can essentially just customize this however you want it. I'm going to leave it like it is because I don't want to waste your time. And then you can go to trading options and do the same over here. Then you can just go and click on next yet again. And then over here, you have to choose the symbol. So I'm just going to go for Apple over here. Of course, you could go and add different data files in here as well. You could go and change it if you don't want it, etc. And whenever you've done this, just click on the next button over here and you have to select your bar size. So for this one, I'm actually going to do a 1 hour over here. You have to select your start date and then the end date as well. And you can go select the source. So bar data or minute data, I'm going to do bar data. And then you can of course go and select if you want regular trading hours data and if you want general ticks over here. Then click on this next button yet again. And the last step is going to be the execution settings. So you have the initial account value. You can change this. I'm going to leave it as 100K over here. You could also include commissions or you could fill on bid ask if you wanna. When you've done this, click on this finish button and it's going to start backtesting. And as you can see, there we go. Up here is your backtest. If you click on it, here are going to be your metrics, your chart, your reports, your periods, etc. Of course, you have trades executions as well. And that's essentially how to backtest on MotiveWave. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.